Welcome back to another DIY video. Today we're going to be working on, or trying to troubleshoot my 2010 Mercedes GLK350. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm, and I'll go over some items here in just a moment. So the issue I'm experiencing with this car, I get a really strong gasoline smell. I searched around, everything looks like it's intact and okay, but when you look under the car in the driver's side rear, you see that little puddle? That is actually gasoline. So what I've done so far is I've gotten under the car, of course. I just had on some wheel ramps, got under the car, checked all of my fuel lines, the rubber hoses, make sure there aren't any cracks or anything like that. So trying to pinpoint where it's at, right under this area right here, you'll note there's a belly pan. When you remove the belly pan, you just look straight up, that's where one of the gas tanks is located. It looks like there is clearly some wetness coming from the top. So what I predict it's likely a fuel pump, or more specifically the fuel pump sending assembly, which I'll get to that here momentarily. This DIY will be a little bit different just because I don't have the tools memorized just yet. But to get to the fuel pump, there's actually two in this car. There's one on this side, and then there's one on this side under the seat cushions. And the tank is kind of like a U-shaped tank, or horseshoe, whatever you want to call it, but we need to get this bottom cushion off first. So before I pull off the seat cushion, you want to go ahead and pop your hood. What we're doing right now is we're going to be removing the, hold on one moment, it's the red one right there. We're going to disconnect the negative battery terminal. Right there. Where's the battery for this? It's been a while, sorry. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So this is where your battery is, right here. Take that cover off. I'm gonna pop this off right there. Oh, just one more. Put the camera down. Okay, and then just close the hood for now. Now we're going to the back of the car. Or again, go ahead and pull this cushion off. To pull it off, there's two, let me get in here. There should be a tab right down here. You can't really see it, you just have to pull it from this cushion. Just go down the middle, it's about right here. Give it a tug. Same thing on that side, about right here. Give it a tug. So now, you gotta lift this up. I'm going to put the camera down.
Alright, so now we pull this up. I believe you pull it up a little bit and inward. Yep. Pull it up and in. Once you get that up and in motion, there you go, just come right out.
Alright, so that's what it looks like once you get the whole cushion out. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the floor. That's what it looks like right there. This little tab, this is where we pulled it from the front. Right there. That little groove that it sits on is right here. Let's keep going. Next, we're going to take these out. It is a 5/16. I'm going to back them all out. And put the camera down. while. And I was right. Hold on. Let me move the camera. Okay. So, not sure if you can see it. Super wet. Let me get something to kind of push on it. See all this? That moving water? That's gasoline. So, it looks like this unit right here has failed. I'm going to go ahead and replace it. So there's obviously some electrical connectors here. We're just going to pull them, separate them all slowly. There's tabs. Just pay attention to the tabs. So disconnect, and there's one right here. Is that the same one? Oh yeah, that's all the same one. So yeah, just make sure you disconnect all this. I'm going to dry this out. So now we're going to take this little ring off. These are 10mm nuts. Take them all, back them all off. Back them all off. So once you get all these nuts around here loosened, again they're 10mm, when you crack these bottom ones it's going to start draining out, assuming your tank is pretty full. Mine was pretty full, so you'll notice that where I'm shining the light right here, it's draining out to the bottom. So make sure you put something to catch all the gas under the car, kind of like that. That's how I have mine. Okay. Alright, so this is probably a good stopping spot. I have a mask on because it's very strong, but once you get that ring off, just put it somewhere safe. And this right here should come straight out, like that. If you pull it all the way out, you'll see the hoses and the fittings that are all attached to it. Again, I don't think I need to do a video on that part, but pretty straightforward. When you pull this one all the way up with your replacement, there's going to be some hoses that are connected to the assembly. You just disconnect it and then reconnect it onto this one. You might have to do the same thing on this side right here, because there is a very long hose that goes from this side all the way over to that side. I'm going to attempt to do that where I don't have to take off the passenger side rear here. Again, assembly is going to be all the same. I'm going to put a picture in the next frame so you understand what I'm referencing. But you know, reassembly is the exact same thing. This is already the hard part. If you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And I will see you on the next one. Leave your questions or comments below for the group. Thanks.